John came to us because he really had teeth that have been failing him. He had tried multiple times in the past to do several attempts to save it, either through crown work or bridge work, and as he lost more and more teeth, he was finding it harder and harder either to afford it or to chew very well.
Before I had the procedure done, I had broken teeth that had pretty much decayed away. Some had been pulled and I had missing. In my youth, I had quite a bit of dental work done and many fillings. There were amalgams, and they shrink, I guess. So then the fillings would fall out and the teeth would break in places. So I finally decided to get something done.
And that's when Dr. Bustani and I started to create a plan for him that would get him to, this ideal set of teeth that he wanted. We started first with planning out what his, ideal smile would be, and then sort of work backwards and making the surgery and the implants fit to that.
Well, at first, when it started, I was thinking maybe I needed dentures, and then I'm 83, so years ago, no implants existed. And through the years, the implants got better and better and better. And I decided maybe that's the way to go.
We ultimately gave him a fully fixed, complete bridge on top, sitting on 6 implants. We were able to do it same day, meaning that the same day that we extracted the teeth and placed the implants, we were also able to connect the bridge to the implants, so he left with a full set of teeth and the ability to chew, to smile, and to speak.
Dr. Bustani does the implants and does the grinding of the bone and everything else. And Dr. Shea does the teeth. Between the two of them, they just work together. It's like back and forth. When he finished the last one, I didn't even know that I'd had it done. It was no pain at all. So it was painless, pretty much. Since I've had this done, I can smile, I can eat steak, I can chew things that I avoided chewing. It's like I had my old teeth back before they got bad.